Dude, would you shut up?
I don't know what the hell's going on.
It's the hiccups. Get them after you drink sometimes. They'll go away eventually.
What's eventually?
How long have you had them?
4 days now.
Well, we could try scaring them out of you.
How?
Alright, Dan. You ready, bud?
What? What's going on?
I don't know, Dan. What's gonna happen, huh?
What? Dude. He's fucking gone.
Oh, yeah.
What? Logan! Buddy! If you can hear
We can try my cousin Steve's way.
I don't think it's working. You don't think what's working? The hiccups. Oh yeah, right, the hiccups. Ooh, rats. Oh, all right.
You guys are my best friends.
Oh, I know.
Okay, this one never works.
Oh, I got an idea.
Okay, none of this is working. Let's just do the water thing, please. Maybe just a spoonful of peanut.
Hold down. Stop hiccuping!
They're gone.
All right.
Hell yeah.
Okay.
Thanks, fellas.
Problem, Dan.
Helping a brother out. Boys coming through. Just untie me, we'll head upstairs. Boys. Damn it.